Okay. So our next question is asking us to simplify the square root of 69. Okay, so let's copy down the question. So square root of 69, and we need to simplify. Okay, simplify. All right. So first thing we need to do is what we call the prime factorization. Prime factorization. Okay. Okay, so let's do this way. So we got 96, right? And then first we know that 48 times 2 is equal to 96, right? So that's the first thing. And we know that 2 is a prime number already, so we can just leave it there. So now we only need to focus on the 48 part, and we know that 48 is equal to 24 times 2, where 2 is a prime number, so we leave it there. So now we only need to deal with 24. So same thing, 12 times 2 is equal to 24, so now we only need to deal with 12, and we know that 6 times 2 is equal to 12, and so now we only need to deal with 6. Oops. Factorization. Okay, so we know 6 is equal to 3 times 2, where 3 is a prime number and 2 is a prime number as well. So now we are done with the prime factorization. So we just need to write the number at the end of each branch, and then we multiply them together, and we will get our 96. Okay, so 96 is equal to, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and then there's a 3. Okay. Yep. So that's what we get from the prime factorization part. Yep. And this number are just coming from the end of each branch. Okay. And then we need to simplify further. So we get 96 is equal to 4. Oops. Times 4 times 6. So we're just grouping the numbers. Okay, so 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Okay, and the reason why we're doing this is because that is a perfect square. Okay, so we can rewrite the root 96 as root 4 times 4 times 6, which is also equal to 4 squared times 6. And recall that whenever we want to take a square root of something squared, it's just going to be equal to the number itself, right? So root 4 squared is just equal to 4. Okay, so coming back to the question, we will just have 4 root 6 as our answer. Okay, so that should be the final answer for this question. Yep. Okay. Oh, and just one more thing I want to mention. So after you're getting your final answer, you write down your conclusion, blah, 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 and you can always check your answer. So 4 root 6, this is going to be equal to root 16 times 6. And then it is equal to root 16 times 6, which give you root 96. And you can see that root 96 there and root 96 here. So which means your answer is correct. Okay. Okay, so now let's leave comment. So it's correct. Well done. Okay, so our last question today. Oops, I think we might run out of time, so I think I'll just stop here for today. Okay. Yep, so those are all the questions for today, and if you enjoyed today's Q&A and would like to be notified of when we do this next, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell below. And if you'd like to submit your own questions, please visit the link in the description. Remember to leave a like and a comment and share this video with a friend. And this has been Andrew from OneClass.